Nearly 20 burros, or wild donkeys, that roam the foothills and canyons between Colton and Moreno Valley have died in recent weeks as an illness spreads among herds. The culprit, experts said, is a viral equine influenza that started spreading among 1 or 2 herds in mid-June. Mostly young burros began showing signs of the infection, Inland Empire horse veterinarians and animal rescue officials said. Some donkeys were unvaccinated and died before they could receive care. The equine influenza is spread through air droplets, water, nose-to-nose respiration, and can be prevented by vaccines, said Chad Cheatham, vice president of the nonprofit rescue center Donkey Land. In the Reche Canyon area, 17 deaths have been reported in the area so far, most of them, 12, in the Moreno Valley area. But a doctor said the sickness cannot be spread to humans or other kinds of animals. Donkey Land, a volunteer-run sanctuary and rescue center for the animals, has been receiving frequent calls about sick or dying burros in Reche Canyon, between Colton and Moreno Valley, and the surrounding areas. The wild donkeys are seen in natural areas including Reche Canyon and in the foothills along Box Springs Mountain, Pigeon Pass Road, Redlands Boulevard, and San Timoteo Canyon Road. In late 2020, more than 40 burros died from an equine influenza in the same area. Last week, 2 deceased wild burros were sent to a state lab in San Bernardino for testing, a Donkey Land news release states. The preliminary findings were positive for equine influenza. Brian Cronin, chief of San Bernardino County Animal Care, said by email that the illness is occurring primarily in Riverside County and Moreno Valley. Representatives from Riverside County Animal Services, which rehabilitates the animals, could not be reached Wednesday, July 6. In San Bernardino County, burros have been identified in the Reche Canyon, San Timoteo Canyon and mountain communities and Parker Dam areas. Aside from illness such as the infection, they are sometimes injured, hit by cars or found deceased, Cronin said. Moreno Valley Animal Services Director Steve Fries said there have been 6 reported donkey deaths in the area of Redlands Boulevard and Locust and Juniper Avenues in the city.